Okay, y'all. Y'all, so we are testing out the pressure washer, and this is the yellow pressure washer head. The yellow one. Okay, so this is the red washer head that we're using.
For light jobs.
This is the least powerful, the green. Okay guys, this is the white head, which is the light job. Okay, we are gonna actually clean this wall unit here, back here, the concrete portion, and I'll show you how it looks when it's done. Okay, so we're gonna get those leaves out the corner. Here we go. Now we're using the solution. And as you can see, it gives a good amount of solution too. Really cool, guys. So far, so good. Just a quick review, guys. Look at the difference already. Hey guys, as you can see, it is all done now, but I am also going to take a picture of it when it dries. But it looks a whole lot different. I'm telling you, so far, so good.